1990 model Oliver was out getting motorsport in the evening. What do you think? I like the new you! Come on!
This is a mistake, isn't it?
Oh, God. Stick with me. Andy! Come on!
Here we go. Pop number 9. Oh, yeah! That's the spirit. Spirit? We should do chases. Who is this guy? Come on. Andy! We can't start without you.
You what?
We can't start without you. Now then, whose round is it?
If the movie had more titties than that, I'd stay away.